Today we'll be learning about how teeth are used to determine the identity of the person who has died, which is also known as odontology. So let's get to it. Something that's very helpful in determining at least the age of the person is knowing the difference between how many primary or deciduous teeth there are compared to how many permanent teeth. You will need to be able to label teeth from a picture, so make sure you get these down. We have our 2 central incisors in the front on the top and bottom, so a total of 4. Then we have the lateral incisors, 4 of those. Then the canine or cuspid teeth, 4 of those. 4 first molars and 4 second molars, for a total of 20 teeth. We can tell these skulls are from people who were younger because the skull on the left has the permanent teeth still waiting to come in, and we only have these 2 sets of molars. This jawbone on the right has only the first and second molars on each side. Permanent teeth, we have the 4 central incisors, the 4 lateral incisors, the 4 canines. We have our first premolar and the second premolar, then first, second, and third molars. And the third molars are also what we call our wisdom teeth, for a total of 32 teeth. And you can see in this person, we have our first, second, and third molars. So we know this is an adult. Key applications of forensic odontology are identifying victims of mass disasters. This is the most common application, as teeth are often the most well-preserved body part in extreme situations, allowing for identification through dental records. It's used in criminal investigations. They used to do bite mark analysis. That's kind of gone by the wayside. They don't use that anymore. Missing persons cases, they can identify unidentified remains through dental records. And just doing age estimation, examining dental development stages to estimate the age of a deceased individual, particularly in cases where other identification methods are unavailable. Teeth are not like fingerprints, but teeth can grow in differently in each person. Teeth can help to estimate age, like we talked about. They can help in determining ancestry in some cases. Wear patterns on teeth can vary and change over time, which can give indications of lifestyle and habits like smoking, etc. When you visit a dentist, they make a record for you. They will make notations about each tooth in your mouth. They'll take x-rays and note any treatment done to the teeth or mouth, and sometimes they'll take molds of your teeth. Here's an example of how teeth can grow in differently. Tooth enamel is harder than any other substance in the body, and because it's so hard, it can withstand almost anything. For instance, victims of fires can often be identified by their teeth. If there are multiple deaths, the forensic dentist will receive a list of individuals and compare available records and find a match, hopefully. Examining the teeth of an intact corpse often requires working in a morgue to expose the jaws surgically. Even if only a few teeth are available, a forensic dentist can still make a positive identification. The best comparisons come from x-rays, but even if those aren't available, notations on the tooth chart, like we have here, can tell the dentist if the teeth are the same. If we don't have any dental records, we can look at broken teeth, missing teeth, gold crowns, and wear patterns due to smoking may be recognizable. And we can also take DNA samples from the pulp.